Hello, good people, and welcome to the class once again. This morning, we are looking at depreciation and we shall concentrate on the reducing balance method. The reducing balance method is a method of depreciation, and that is our duty today. That is what we are doing today. So, in the question, you are told by the examiner the buying price of the machine is 400,000. The depreciation rate is given as 20% per annum, and the required is find the value of the asset after 3 years, and you are told to show all your workings. So if you're told find the value of the asset after 3 years and show all your workings, then the first thing to do is to know how you calculate the depreciation on reducing balance method. When we are doing reducing balance method, we depreciate the asset for every 1 year, and then the succeeding depreciation is based on the balance that we have after we have done the first or second depreciation. So we depreciate the machine. The 20% depreciation shall be done on the value that remains after we have depreciated the machine for the first, second, or third year. So that's why we call it the reducing balance method. How do we do it? We say here solution. So we shall say the cost of the machine. The cost of the machine will be given as 400,000. Then we shall less the depreciation. When you less the depreciation, which is 20% times the 400,000, that now gives you 80,000. Then when you subtract the depreciation from the cost price or the price of the assets, then we shall have a reducing balance of 320,000 shillings. We have already done the depreciation for the first year. We have done the for the first year, this first year. And then I want us to go to the second year depreciation. Again, it shall be once again 20% of the balance now. We shall take the 20% of the balance that we have remained with after we have depreciated the cost price minus the value of depreciation. So we shall say 20 multiplied by 320, and that gives me we cancel the zeros, then we shall have 64,000. That will be our depreciation, and therefore that gives us 0, 0, 0. 0 minus 4 is 6, and then 1 minus 6 is 5, and then we have 256,000 as the value of the depreciation on the second year. After second year depreciation of 64,000, we have a value, the reduced balance of 256,000 after the second year. The question was asking, find the value of the asset after 3 years. So we have one more here. So we shall say the third year depreciation is again given by 20% times the balance. The balance is 256,000. That we have the zero cancels, and so we have 2560 multiplied by 2, and that comes to 0. And then we have 2 more carry 1, that is 1. And then we have 4, that is 41,200. We shall therefore subtract the 41,200 from the balance that was remaining after the first two depreciations. When we subtract, we shall have 0 and 0, we have 0. And then we have 0 minus 2, that should be 8 because of 10, that is now 6 minus 1, we have 5. Then we have 6 minus 1, that's 4 minus 1, that is now 4. And then we have 5 minus 4, that's 1. And then we have 2. And so the balance that mean is 214,800. Therefore, we have the balance after 3 years. After 3 years, the value of the asset will be 214,800 shillings. That is the answer to that question on reducing balance method. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. Thank you so much.